In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube Shorts from CapCut PC. Now, let's start by opening up the CapCut application and selecting Create Project. Now, in the Media tab in the top navigation, you just want to go and import your media footage. So I'm going to import a collection of different videos and images, and then once you've imported your footage, you can simply drag it over to the timeline. Now, if your video footage is in this landscape format, then we need to convert this into a short portrait format. Now, you can do this simply by clicking on the video clip, selecting ratio, and then selecting 9:16. Now, you can see that this entire black window is what will be displayed on your YouTube short. Now, obviously, because our video is in landscape format, we now need to scale this so it fits the full window. So I'm simply just going to drag the edges to resize this. Now, we may end up cropping the edges of the video, but this is required in order to make it this portrait format. So once you've done that, you can just go ahead and finish the rest of the editing with your short. So you can add things like text and effects and transitions. Now, do bear in mind that the maximum length for a YouTube short is 60 seconds. So you also want to make sure your video footage is no longer than 59 seconds. And then once you finish editing your video, click on export in the top navigation. Then you can go and give your file a name. So I'm going to call this YouTube short. Select where you want to export this file to. For the resolution, I'm going to set mine to 2K. Keep the bitrate at recommended, and you want to make sure the format is set to MP4, and we can keep the frame rate at 30 FPS and go and press export. And now once you've exported your video, you can upload that directly to YouTube, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.